never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to quickly share with you guys a company that is just in time for the holidays. Now, I don't know about y'all, but your girl loves getting new underwear. Like, when I get a new pair of underwear, I can't wait to go home, take a nice shower, and put my new undies on. It's just so it's just a good feeling. So today I want to share with you guys Splendies. It is a monthly subscription service that sends 3 pairs of underwear every month, starting at the price of only $13.99. So the underwear do come in this little package here. It just says Splendies on it. The 3 pair that I received for the month, 2 are like more of that, you know, brief looking type. So this is 1 pair that I received, and I really like the color of it. It's really pretty. And then I have a clip right here to show you this pair that I received. This blue color is just super pretty. I feel like it's always good to have underwear like this. I know a lot of times we like to have like sexy underwear, but I like having comfortable stuff too, because sis, ain't nobody got time for that all the time. So I just want something nice so I can just be chilling. And the last pair I received is a thong, and this one actually, you know, 'tis the season. It fits the season. It's red with some gray on it, and yeah. So for my curvier women out there, they also do have a voluptuous line that will cater to your needs as well. Also, 2 other good things is the fact that they do ship free within the US, and if for whatever reason you want to cancel, you can cancel the service at any time. If you are interested in subscribing to the monthly service, with using the code SPLENDIES, you will receive $4 off of your first month. Be sure to check out the description box below for more details and also for the links to the site. I want to give a huge shout out for Splendies for collaborating with me on this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you are instantly notified for whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all that being said, your girl is out.
Young black boy, black skin, that my brody. Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But mother, for your standards, my head nappy, bitch, I love it.